Your windows play a major role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. But like any part of your home, they eventually wear out. Many Loves Park homeowners don't realize how much their aging windows may be costing them, in energy bills, comfort, and even home value. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can help you avoid costly issues and enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful home. Here are the most common signs that your Loves Park house may be ready for new replacement windows. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. If you feel a noticeable draft when you walk by your windows, or if certain rooms are consistently hotter or colder than others, it's a strong sign your windows are no longer insulating properly. Why this matters? Drafts force your HVAC system to work harder. Temperature inconsistencies reduce comfort. Higher energy bills become an ongoing issue. Modern replacement windows offer superior sealing and insulation that eliminate drafts and help maintain stable indoor temperatures year-round. Foggy windows or condensation between panes. Double and triple pane windows are designed with insulating gas between the panes. When you see moisture or fogging inside the glass, it means the seal has failed and the insulating gas has escaped. What this leads to: poor insulation, reduced visibility and aesthetic appeal, higher heating and cooling costs, potential for mold or moisture damage. Seal failure cannot be repaired. Replacement is the only effective solution. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking your windows. Windows that are hard to operate are more than just inconvenient. They can also pose a safety risk. Warped frames, rusted hardware, or worn components make windows difficult to use. Problems this can cause: compromised security, poor ventilation, risk of windows getting stuck during emergencies, increased wear on surrounding trim and frames. New replacement windows restore smooth, safe operation and provide peace of mind. Rising energy bills without an obvious cause. If your utility bills keep increasing but your HVAC system is functioning normally, the real culprit may be your windows. Older windows often suffer from thin or single-pane glass, poor insulation, gaps around the frame, outdated or worn seals. Energy-efficient replacement windows help Loves Park homeowners reduce energy consumption and save money every month. Visible damage. Rotting, warping, or cracked frames. Loves Park's seasonal temperature changes, from cold winters to humid summers, can cause wooden frames to rot and older vinyl frames to warp or crack. This damage can lead to water intrusion, structural issues, mold growth, reduced window performance. When frames are visibly deteriorating, replacement is the most effective and long-lasting solution. Excessive noise from outside. If outside noise easily filters into your home, from traffic, neighbors, or trains, your windows may no longer be providing proper sound insulation. Modern replacement windows provide multi-pane sound barriers, better seals, improved frame construction. This results in a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Outdated style that hurts. Curb appeal. Windows make up a significant portion of your home's exterior appearance. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can make your house look dated. Upgrading your windows improves curb appeal, home value, exterior symmetry and style, modern interior aesthetics. Whether you're planning to stay long-term or considering selling, new windows significantly enhance your home's appearance. Persistent moisture or soft spots around the frame. Moisture around the interior frame or soft spots on the wall indicate water is getting in, often due to failing seals or damaged frames. Left unchecked, this can lead to mold growth, structural deterioration, costly repairs. Replacement windows with proper installation prevent further water damage and protect your home. Final thoughts: new replacement windows offer Loves Park homeowners improved comfort, lower energy bills, better insulation, enhanced security, and a fresh new look. If you're noticing drafts, condensation, rising bills, or visible damage, it may be time to invest in modern, energy-efficient windows.